Hi guys, what's up? Here is JP English in this beautiful weather making a video for you guys. Okay, today we want to talk about different levels and types of raining. Did you know that we have different levels and types of raining? No? It's okay. One level, actually the first level is drizzling. It's drizzling. It means a light rain. Drizzling, okay? The next level is it's raining. It's raining. Not light, not heavy, it's raining normal, okay? The other one is it's pouring. It's pouring. It means it's heavy. It's a heavy rain. It's pouring. The next level is it's lashing. It's lashing. It means it's very heavy. That maybe it causes flood. The next level is it's bucketing down. It's bucketing down. It means very, very heavy, that for a long time it definitely cause a flood. Okay, keep that in your mind. Okay, first question, can you guess what level of raining is this right now? Comment it below. Next one, I want to tell you an idiom about raining. You can say it's raining like cats and dogs. What does it mean? It means it's raining heavily. Like I'm talking to my friend. Hi Jack, what's up? How's the weather? Oh, it's sunny, good for you. Here it's raining like cats and dogs. Raining heavily. So if you enjoyed our video and you want to see the next video I make, please follow and subscribe our page and wait for the next video. Thanks.